Thing number 3 that may be stored in the belly fat. Hey there, this is Bronwen Oehlschlager. Welcome to this 46-part series where we are talking about how to live life free of emotional eating and love yourself slim by addressing 46 things that I have found are stored in the belly area. These are emotions based on beliefs that we're holding onto, that we're protecting like they are truth, and just petting and loving and defending, and we don't want anybody to stop us from believing this, and I'm inviting you to just flick it. So today we're going to talk about, of these 46 things that I've discovered, we're going to talk about the third thing, just one thing, and that thing is feeling possessive of someone. Does it ring true to you that you are holding on to feelings that kind of hurt you because you are feeling possessive of another person? You need to keep them. You need to arrange what they do in their life and decide how they feel and decide how they treat you and decide where they go and just really protect them. I mean, this could be a child, and you need to, okay, so let's be real, okay? You get to protect your child, but what about allowing them to spread their wings and have their experiences, and how different you might feel if you shifted the way that you approach this kind of relationship? Instead of being possessive of this person, allowing them to have their experiences. It changes everything. So this is really just a paradigm shift. It doesn't mean you're going to stop doing responsible things. It means you're going to have responsible feelings about the relationships that you have. So I invite you to just take this idea that you have to control other people, flick it, recognize that your body's giving you a signal for a reason because it's ready to let go of this yucky stuff, and put on a new belief instead and see if you feel better. Thanks for watching. I'm super excited about this series. It's been so much fun to put this together and do all this research. Remember to go down the rabbit hole. What I just said may not have been exactly accurate for your situation, but there may be something else that is. So write it down. Go down that rabbit hole. Find all the things that resonate with you as, oh yeah, that's stuck in there and it's not serving me, and you want to get it out and put on a new belief instead. If you want, you can go grab my cheat sheet for the whole slim down success experience in a nutshell. It's on realandslim.com. Remember to subscribe and comment with your ahas and your success stories. I would love to hear about that. And hit the bell because we're going to have more coming, and I'll talk to you later.